Hello student, welcome to Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Today my topic is coordinate geometry, that is the introduction part for class 9th student ICSE and CBSE. Already I have posted about class 10. This is quite different from class 10. This is an introduction part because this introduction part will give you an idea about how to plot the point. So already I have made here or drawn here y-axis, x-axis. Now you see this is origin, right hand side from the origin is x-axis, upward direction y-axis, downward direction minus, that is minus y-axis, and then here left hand side minus x-axis. Suppose my point is 3 and 4. So I will plot where 1 2 3 right hand side, and then 1 2 3 4. This is my point 3 and 4. Suppose my point is minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 3x. So 1 2 3. This is minus 3, and here this is minus 3 and 4. And suppose minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 3 already here, 1 2 3 4. This is minus 3 minus 4, and suppose 3 minus 4, already minus 4 is here, so this is 3 minus 4. What is this? What is the meaning of the plotting of this point? This coordinate geometry is divided into 4 parts: first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. First coordinate always plus and plus, second coordinate minus and plus, third minus and minus, and fourth plus and minus. Already this introduction I have given in the reflection also, but quietly I just wanted to give especially for the class 9th, because reflection and coordinate, so it will give a confusion. So coordinate also a same thing, but so many parts difference are there in class 10th also. So now this is the introduction of the coordinate, how to plot the point. Now here we are going to deal about x-axis and y-axis. Suppose if I am saying only x-axis, so it means what? The point lies on here. Maybe suppose x-axis A0. What is the meaning of this? The A abscissa lies here on x and y value is 0. Suppose y-axis 0 and b. So abscissa is 0 and ordinate, that is the y value is here. Maybe this is positive, maybe this is negative. So this is the meaning of x-axis and y-axis. And we can say x-axis means parallel to y-axis, y-axis means parallel to x-axis. These are the basic thing. X is abscissa, y is ordinate. Here we are going to study about how to plot the point and then how to graph the equation with the help of a coordinate geometry. How to graph the equation. In coordinate geometry, we will represent equation of line. That is, if suppose 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0, so we will represent 4y is equal to minus 3x minus 12. So always equation of line is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Or you can say, if you will plot y is equal to mx plus c, and by the help of a trial and error method, we will plot the value of y and plot the value of x. We will discuss here how to graph the equation. I have written already how to graph the equation. Suppose it is given here 2x minus y equal to 6. So I will do one thing. Y is equal to, see, minus y, 2x minus 6. This 6 will come this side, and now I will plot the graph. Suppose here I am making a table x and y. Suppose y equal to 0. 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. Okay. See, if x equal to 0, y equal to minus 6. How to plot this line? Suppose this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Now x equal to 3 and 0. And y equal to 0 and minus 6. Now, if x is 0, y is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this is 3 and 0. This is 3 and 0. And then this line. Okay. And then y equal to 0, x equal to suppose x equal to 0, y equal to minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is minus 6. So we can write 0, minus 6. Now this is the point. Suppose this is A and this is B. We will join this line. Suppose it is going like this. So this is your y is equal to mx plus c in the form of y equal to 2x minus 6. This is the plotting of y is equal to mx plus c. A very simple concept about this: keep y equal to 0, find the value of x. Keep x equal to 0, find the value of y, and then plot the line. And here all the representation of the value will gives you, suppose this point will give the y axis and this line will give you y axis. Suppose x equal to 4, so y equal to something positive or something. So this way you can plot. Now the second thing is, in this video, how to solve simultaneous equation with the help of a graph. Same procedure, 3y minus 2x is equal to 7 and 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 7. My procedure is very simple. My procedure is very simple. What? Here we will take x and y, and now if x equal to 0, y equal to 7 by 3. 3y is equal to 7. And if y equal to 0, x equal to minus 7 by 2. I hope this is visible. Now same thing, x and y. X equal to 0, y equal to minus 7 by 3. Y equal to 0, x equal to minus 7 by 5. Now these are the two lines. This is L1 and this is L2, and we have to plot on a graph, and then we have to find the value of x and y. Now plotting the graph. Use the graph paper. But before you are going to use the graph paper, my suggestion is take a white paper, use the scale and plot your line with the help of the scale, and then you find the value. It will give you a perfection while doing on the graph paper. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 according to the value. This is x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 according to the value. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Like this we will plot. Now x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is what? 3 2 ja, that is 2.3. Suppose this is 2.3. So this is my value, 0 and 7 by 3. And then x equal to minus 7 by 2, y equal to 0. Minus 7 by 2 means 3.5. 1, 2, 3. Suppose this is 3.5. So minus 7 by 2 and 0. Now you have two fixed points. Suppose this is A, and now you draw this line. Suppose this is line L1. And then x equal to 0 in second line, y equal to minus 7 by 3, minus 2.1 something. So you this is x equal to 0, yeah, minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by 3. So 2.3. 1, 2, suppose this is your point, minus 0 and minus 7 by 3. And then minus 7 by 5 and 0. Minus 7 by 5. Minus 7 by 5 means 1.4. Minus 1.4. Suppose this is. Now you join this line. 1.4. this is line L2 and this point is minus 7 by 5 and 0. Now you check, this is an intersection of a line. These two lines intersect here, suppose that point P. Now you check, suppose approx like this, suppose this is minus 2 or 1.5, because I am using this rough part, and this, suppose this is 1. So your value is x equal to minus 2, y equal to 1 by this. I may be approx this is. I am not telling you this is the perfect answer, but this is the way to draw the graph. I hope this will help you to finding the equation through the coordinate geometry, simultaneous linear equation using the graph paper. And the third is the distance formula. How to derive distance formula? This is purely class 9. This will revise class 10th student some part. Okay, I'm telling everyone, class 10th and class 9, please go through it. It will help you in your coordinate geometry. Now how to find the distance formula? Suppose a very simple concept. Suppose this is my x1 and y1, 1 point P, and this is my q, x2, y2, 2 point. Now this is q. Now I am going to draw this from P and from Q, this intersect here 90 degree and joining this. Suppose this is A. We have to find the distance of PQ. PQ equal to what? Very simple. This is x1, okay, and this is x2. This is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. So we have to take some distance here. So what about the point x1 y1 and x2 y2? If you see here, what is the value of this point, this line? If you check, what is the value of this line and this line? If we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, if we are going to use Pythagoras theorem, here we are traveling on y-axis, here we are traveling on x-axis. So final destination on x-axis is x2 minus x1. The total distance on x is x2. Total distance from here, initial x1 to x2. So difference is x2 minus x1. Again, this is y1. So here this is y1 and then this is y2. So this, okay, so this is x2 minus x1 from here to here, and here to here this is y2 minus y1. This distance is y2 minus y1. Applying the Pythagoras theorem, PQ equal to what? AP square plus AQ square. See the previous knowledge. AP is what? AP is x2 minus x1 whole square and AQ is y2 minus y1 whole square. This is your distance formula, usually directly written in the book. How this come? With the help of this figure. I hope this will help you, my dear. So please, if it is going to help, please subscribe and share my channel. Now regarding this, we have too many questions to solve. One question is find the distance. I am not going to waste my time. Use the point and find. Sometimes it is like this: 6, 9, 0, 1 and 6 minus 7. We have to find these 3 points are collinear. How? A, B, C. We will find the distance of AB. Now this will revise your x1 y1, x2 y2. So distance formula, again I am writing x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is for revision. Now x2, 0 minus 6 plus 1 minus 9, 0 minus 6, 36, 1 minus sign 64, this is 10. AB, square root of 100 is 10. Now, BC. Now I am not going to write any formula. This will x1 y1, x2 y2. 6 minus 0 plus minus 7 minus 1. This is also your 36, 10. Then AC. AC, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 0, whole square. Then minus 7 minus 9, 0, 1, 6 minus 7, yeah, 6, 6, yeah, correct. 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 7 minus 9 minus 16 whole square. This is 0 plus minus 16 whole square, that is 256. This is 16. Now you check what here. This is 6, 10 plus 10 plus 16. We can say this is isosceles triangle if we are going to make the triangle. But what happen if a sum of two, AB plus BC, AB plus BC is equal to AC, but here not possible. Again AC plus BC is not equal to AB, and AC plus AB not equal to BC. If this condition is not going to happen, you can say these 3 points are not collinear. You can say these 3 points are not collinear. If sum of the two distance is equal to the third one, then you can say this is collinear. You can say this is collinear. Otherwise, it is impossible to say collinear. Otherwise, it is impossible to say collinear. Again we check 6, 9, 0, 1, 6 minus 0, 36, 1 minus 9, that is 8, 64, 10, 6 minus 7. So like this. So I hope this is going to be a helpful part in your coordinate geometry. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Till then, take care. Bye bye.